How to use the hole wizard.
Dang, you lack the skill to become a hole wizard. Oh! Never mind.
Depending on the part you're creating, you might need specialized holes. Whether it's a simple bracket, a mounting plate, or a mechanical assembly, different holes has different specifications that must be followed. While an extrude cut can make basic holes, the hole wizard gives you access to standardized hole types used throughout engineering. It's perfect for brackets, mounts, fasteners, and, well, if you're desperate enough, even the holes in your wizard's robe. There are several ways to create holes in SolidWorks, but today I'll cover the fastest method to drill holes in your part. So prepare your spell books. First, create the features that you want to drill holes into, whether that's a cube or octahedron. Then navigate to the Features tab and select Hole Wizard. And congratulations! You have officially enrolled in the School of CAD and Engineering. You'll be greeted with two main tabs here, Type and Position. Let's start with the Types tab. The Types tab allows you to define the properties of your holes. There are many options to choose from, including hole type, standards, size, specification, and conditions, and even advanced properties. Think of this menu as choosing your spell. Different situations require different types of holes. You can hover over the preview image to see examples and the names of the different hole styles available. Make sure to follow the specification required by your parts and select the appropriate options. For example, a simple clearance hole will have different setting than a counterbore or a countersink hole, so choose wisely. Selecting the wrong hole type is how engineers become dark wizards. Once you have selected your desired hole settings, move on to the Positions tab. When you enter the Positions tab, SolidWorks will ask,
where you want to place these holes?
Select the face where you want the holes to be created. Once selected, SolidWorks should automatically rotate the view so you can sketch directly on that face. If the view doesn't automatically orient itself, use the View Orientation button to switch to a more convenient view. No need to cast Wingardium Leviosa. The camera should move on its own. Now it's time to place your hole location. Simply click on the face to create sketch points. Each point represents the center of a hole. As you place points, a preview will appear showing the size and location of the holes that will be created. Think carefully before placing them. A hole in the wrong direction can turn a perfectly good bracket into something that looks like Voldemort's face. You can add as many hole locations as needed. To position them accurately, use smart dimensions and sketch relations, just as you would in a normal sketch. If needed, you can also create reference geometry using sketch tools as lines, rectangles, circles, offset, or convert entities. These references can help you precisely locate your hole center. Once you made a general reference, you can switch back to the hole sketch by clicking on the point icon in your sketch tab. Once all the hole locations are properly defined, click the green checkmark to create the holes. SolidWorks will then generate all the holes according to the specification you selected in the Types tab. Holus completus. This is why engineers study the hole wizard and not the forbidden art of manually sketching every fastener holes. So next time your spellbook falls off a shelf, it might be time to upgrade the mounting holes on that thing. Class dismissed, young wizard. And now you know.